Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to leave a Zoom meeting. Whether you need to exit early from a work call or simply want to end your session properly, knowing the right way to leave ensures a clean disconnect without any confusion. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. This gets you into your Zoom dashboard where you can access all your meeting options and settings. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can join and manage your meetings effectively. Next, join a meeting. This could be a scheduled meeting from your calendar, a meeting you're hosting, or one you're joining via a meeting ID or link. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the full Zoom interface with your video feed and the other participants. Now, when you're ready to leave, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a toolbar with several options for controlling your meeting experience. In this toolbar, locate and click on the End button. This button is specifically designed to help you exit the meeting, and clicking it will bring up a small menu with options. From this menu, select Leave Meeting. This is the option you want when you're a participant and simply need to exit the call. By choosing this, you'll disconnect from the meeting without affecting other participants who might still be in the session. The meeting will continue for everyone else and you'll be cleanly removed from the call. And that's it. You've successfully left your Zoom meeting in just a few clicks, ensuring a professional and proper exit from your call. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.